Please see this question, sir. Your question is, a trader sells his goods. A trader sells his goods and makes a profit of 5%. Profit percentage is 5%. That means it is 5 by 100. The meaning of 5 by 100 is, if the cost price is 100 rupees, profit is 5 rupees, selling price should be 105. 100 plus 5, 105 rupees. Selling price should be 105 rupees. But read the next statement. His cost price increases by 20%. That means he is increasing his cost price by 20%. Earlier it was 100. 20% increased. Now the cost price is becoming 120 rupees. Because he is increasing the cost price by 20%. As a result, he increases his selling price also by 20%. Because the cost price is increasing by 20%, selling price is also increasing by 20%. What is 20% of 105? 10% is 10.5. 20% is 2 into 10.5, which is 21. It is 120. 105 plus 21. It is 126. What profit percentage does he earn? That means profit percentage, again they are asking right now. Now see here, sir. Initially it is 120. Write down that 120 in the denominator. 120 is becoming 126. That means there is an increase of 6. 6 divided by 120. You will again get back 5% profit. That means in simple language, can I say that initial profit percentage was 5%. Initially the profit percentage was 5%. He is increasing the cost price by 20%. And because he is increasing the cost price by 20%, he is also increasing the selling price also by 20%. That means if the cost price and selling price both are increased by the same margin, whatever profit percentage you had initially, finally also you will have the same profit percentage. If the initial profit percentage was 12.5%, finally also it will be 12.5 only. There is no need for us to calculate. Directly within 1 second you can answer this question if you know this key point. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for each and every student who are watching this video. I believe that the idea is very, very clear for you people. Kindly comment, sir. Now I will also tell what Samir used in this problem, in that problem. Good that Samir ignited something so that it will be clear for every one of them also. If you remember, we wrote our fifth formula in our first session of profit, loss and discount. Fifth formula in our first session. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 plus profit percentage. That means that selling price is cost price into 1 is 100% plus profit percent in the first case was 80%. This is 180% of cost price is giving you some selling price. This is exactly what Samir wrote initially as 180% is corresponding to selling price 900. This is exactly what Samir wrote. And if you remember in our first class, we wrote another formula. Selling price is equal to cost price into 1 minus loss percentage. So selling price will be how much? Cost price into loss, or anyway second value was also profit only, right? It was given 120%. So it is 100% plus 120%. So this is 220% of cost price is giving you how much selling price. This was the second statement what Samir wrote. These are the two statements what Samir wrote directly instead of using all these things. And that is what other students also should learn. That is exactly what other students also should learn. Directly writing the values instead of using all these intermediate steps. That is something you should learn, and you will learn all these things so beautifully when you keep watching all the video content. Shiva Shankar, tell me the last point. Last point is, now for all the people who did not understand, fast repetition. 5% profit means on 100 5 rupees increase 105. Profit increases by 20%. So cost price increases by 20%. It became 120. and as a result he increases selling price by 20%. What is 20% of 105? It is 21 increase. It became 105 plus 21, 126. What profit percentage does he earn? Initially it was 120. Put it in the denominator because denominator represents initial value. 120 is becoming 126. There is an increase of 6. 6 by 120 is again 5%. That means in simple language I can say this statement as, let initial profit percent be any percentage which is there. Anything let it be. If cost price increases by some percent, if the selling price also increases by the same percentage, whatever profit percentage you had initially, same thing you will get it at the last. I hope it is clear for every student. I hope it is clear for every student. Kindly comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people, sir. Excuse me. Kindly comment in the live chat if it is clear for you people. Everyone please comment in the live chat, sir, before I move on to the next question. Very easy question this is. Listen carefully, sir. Your question is 2 mangoes, 3 bananas, 4 apples cost 15 rupees. 2 mangoes, 3 bananas, 4 apples. This is costing you 15 rupees totally. Next statement is 3 mangoes, 2 bananas and 1 apple cost 10 rupees. 3 mangoes, 2 bananas and 1 apple, it is costing you 10 rupees. Now if I simplify further, if I add, this is 5 mangoes, 5 bananas and 5 apples, it is costing you 25 rupees. So if I take 5 common factor, 1 mango, 1 banana, 1 apple, it is 25. So 1 mango, 1 banana, 1 apple is 25 by 5. It is 5 rupees. What is the question they are asking you? I bought 3 mangoes, 3 bananas and 3 apples. How much did I pay? So it is 3 times of mango plus banana plus apple. Right side is 5. That also multiply by 3. Answer is 15. Very easy question, sir.